Welcome, from me is a Samsung Galaxy A41, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we begin, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. Now this thing comes provided with the device. We can find it somewhere in the box between those booklets that no one cares about. But if you don't feel like bothering, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from there, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So right about here, as you can see where the pin is right now holding, push it in and the tray should pop out. And the tray has space for one SD card, as you can see right here, and two different SIM cards at the top. So place each one accordingly. I'm gonna occupy only one slot for the SIM card, the SIM card, as you can see. Now before you slide it back into the device, make sure that the cards are laying flush in there so they're correctly placed, and then while holding them firmly in place so they don't actually fall out, slide it back in. And there we go, so there's the pin for the SIM card. Let me confirm with that. So the SIM card is already working. There it is, and SD card is working as well, as you can see right based on here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.